This toilet is possessed. Oh my god. I can't even flush my poop, and yet I have to listen to this. Why? The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. Ah, I forgot to bless this airway. Damn it. That means we're out of options. And the saga continues. As you can see, the only water coming out is pretty brown. Let's take a look. And you get also these occasional puffs of air. Not so occasional over here. Ah, gross. The water doesn't smell, so I'm hoping this is just rust. Ugh. Let's go to the other bathroom where things are quite a bit worse. For some reason, the toilet will not stop filling up at the top here. So as you can see, definite potential problem. Yep. Now, for those of you who are wondering, that is not my diarrhea. That is actually the water coming out of the toilet. Now the question is this going to overflow in a second here? The one downstairs is not doing this, but this one is. Not too happy about this. Oh, God.